Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the phone number for your Wells Fargo Zelle payments? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the phone number connected to your Wells Fargo Zelle account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, sometimes you want to receive payments to your business phone number, not your personal number. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo online account dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order to receive Zelle payments through your Wells Fargo account, it has to be a US phone number. It also can't be a VoIP or online phone number, something like Sideline. That's not going to work. It needs to be an actual cell phone that you have from the major providers like Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Also, another thing I want to note is that if you're going to change the phone number for your Wells Fargo Zelle, it has to be registered with your Wells Fargo account. After you've added that phone number into your account for your entire Wells Fargo account, then you can go in and register it for Zelle. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. So I've already logged in, as you can see right here. So like I told you, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and register the phone number with your Wells Fargo account, not Zelle. So here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Once you click on your name, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on My Profile. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu, and you want to click here, Update Contact Information. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these three options. Go ahead and open this one up, Phone Numbers. All right, once you do that, go ahead and add in the new cell phone number that you want connected to your Zelle. Now, you can have more than one cell phone number here. That's really up to you. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use this one and then click on Save. Okay, next you should see your cell phone number right here. Now it's registered with your Wells Fargo account. Now we can jump over to the Zelle portion and update the receiving cell phone number. So here on the top, you're going to click on Transfer and Pay. Once you do that, you'll see a menu, and you want to click here, Send Money with Zelle. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options, and you want to click here, Manage Payment Profile. Okay, once you do that, go ahead and look for your new number, and you can see it's not enrolled. Click on the arrow next to the phone number. Okay, immediately when you click on it, Wells Fargo is going to send you a text message to verify that it's you. So I'm going to go ahead and look at my cell phone, and let me get the code. Okay, now I have the code. I'm going to go ahead and type it in here to verification code. Okay, I typed in the code. I'm going to click on Verify. Okay, next you need to choose which Wells Fargo account your Zelle payments are going to go to. I just have one account with Wells Fargo, so I'm going to click here and then click on Save. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you should see this green check mark. You're all set to send and receive money with Zelle. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change or update your phone number for your Wells Fargo Zelle payments, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.